Hi, this is a review of a screen testing ribbon for the iPhone 4 or the iPhone 4S. Right, so what we've got here is our screen testing ribbon. What you use this for is if you want to replace the screen in your phone, as you can see, you've got a replacement screen here. You can use this ribbon to test the screen before you fully have to take your old phone apart, so it can save you a lot of time, a lot of hassle. Last thing you want to do is strip your iPhone all the way down, put the screen in, put it back together to find out there's a fault with it or it doesn't work properly. So what this basically does is you can plug this in to your current one up there, plug the replacement screen in the other end, and you can test it before you put it all the way in. So I'm going to show you how we do this. So the first thing you would need to do on the phone you're replacing the screen on, which should be this one, which you can use this as for test purposes. You need to obviously remove the back. You need to remove the top plate protecting all the ribbons. And what we're going to want to do is unclip the LCD and the Digitizer ribbons. And you're going to want to connect this to your phone. You can't get the ends mixed up because they go in quite easily. So we're going to pop these into the phone first, like so. Make sure they're in there. The next thing we're going to do is connect our screen, replacement screen, onto here. Obviously you want to be a bit careful doing this, can be a bit tricky. You don't want to damage the new screen while you're doing it. Right, so once you've got it all connected, like so, you can now use your phone to turn on your new screen to test it. So you can obviously slide it to unlock it, test, make sure everything's alright, make sure there's no blemishes in the screen or anything like that. There we go. A very good little device there for testing your new LCDs. Like I said, can save you a lot of time and also a lot of money. Thanks for watching the video, and please like and please subscribe.